Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on NUBIA Neo 5G. And let's start with the first one. It will be on how to translate. And fun thing about it is that the Google Translator will also speak out loudly that translation. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish I ate the burger. Then next one will be on how to count calories. Hey Google, count calories in a burger.
Here is information from Fat Secret.
Next is how to send messages. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger. Next one will be on how to call anyone from your contacts. Hey Google, call my mom. And lastly, the last command will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you can't identify where it is. You can use Google Assistant to locate your device. Just ask with the phrase, where are you, or to play any song. It goes like this. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm in the cloud, but I'm also always here when you need me.
Your phone should make a sound and it will be easy to find. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.